Hello, and welcome to Mr. Simmons' 8th grade math. If you're anything like me when I was in 8th grade, this is perhaps your least favorite subject. Or maybe it's your favorite. Either way, I know we're going to have a great year. Please watch through this video with your parents, and then complete the quiz together to turn in on the first day of school. This will be an easy A to start things off. Here, you're going to see the hub of our classroom's online presence. You can go there now to review any of the information in this video. The address is sites.google.com/view/Mr. Simmons math class. Be prepared to memorize this, as this is also how you will be logging on to both Google Classroom and our Moodle class. Both of these are known as LMS, or Learning Management Systems, and will be where you can find your online assignments as well as any assignments for e-learning days. Our first stop is the Get to Know Mr. Simmons page. This is my first year at Baker Street. However, I have taught before at other schools teaching math, biology, chemistry, religion, and social studies. I enjoy technology of all kinds, and in my free time I play video games as well as creating digital art using Photoshop, Illustrator, and Maya. I also enjoy reading science fiction and fantasy, watching Jeopardy, and completing crossword puzzles. I love math for the same reason I love philosophy, one of my college degrees. I like learning about the human person and what makes us who we are. Math is a great bridge to logic, or the philosophy of understanding how we think and what makes us decide what we decide. Now on to the material for what you are here for, our class rules. I like to keep things simple by having 4 main class rules, all starting with the word respect. Respect is very important to me as an individual, and I strive to make respect the cornerstone of my classroom. Our rules are: respect yourself by turning in your work and coming in prepared. Coming prepared to my classroom includes having your textbook, a pen, a pencil, a notebook, and your calculator. These 5 items are essential for every class session. Secondly, we need to respect our school by using technology and school equipment only as intended and picking up after ourselves to keep the classroom and our school clean and presentable. Thirdly, we must respect our classmates by keeping our hands to ourselves. Yes, I know that you are not preschoolers, but this is an important thing to keep in mind so that no situations get out of hand. Finally, I ask you to respect me by remaining quiet and attentive, raising your hand if you have a question, or if you need to leave your seat. Pretty simple stuff. If you follow these 4 rules, you will have a great year in my class. However, if you choose not to, you will find out about our discipline policy, which is as follows. Break a rule, receive a strike. When you receive a strike, I will be emailing your parents with why you received that strike. Receive 3 strikes in a week, and you will be serving a detention with me. After 3 detentions, you will meet with the Dean of Students with the possibility of being suspended or expelled. For a more in-depth look at what our day-to-day activities will look like, let's check out procedures. I won't read all of this to you, but I do want to point out the late and missing work policy. If you forget to turn in an assignment, you have 1 more day to turn it in, with a 10% late deduction. You will also see a pink slip pop up by your name on the board in front of the classroom. Simply staple the late work to the pink slip by the beginning of class the next day, and you're squared away. However, if you miss school because you are sick, when you return, you will see a purple slip by your name for each assignment that you missed. You will have an extra day for each day you are gone to finish up these assignments. I will try to get the assignments to you before you come back, if possible. Then, go ahead and staple the purple slip to the work, and you will be squared away for that as well. I would also like to mention my passion for a teaching style you may be unfamiliar with, project-based learning. In project-based learning, you, the student, are presented with a problem from the real world. Think cleaning up the ocean and saving the Great Barrier Reef, or designing a computer program to make difficult calculations easier. You will then spring into action with your group members, to solve this problem with your own unique solution. In brief, a lot less talking and lecturing from me, and a lot more hands-on projects for you. We will go slow, but I know that this will be a great way for you to learn math this year. To wrap things up, a few words about communication. Every week, parents will be able to check out this website to see an update of what went on this week. If you have questions, please feel free to email me at jsimmons@bakerstreet.edu. This is the best way to get in contact with me. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to meeting you in person on the first day of school.